Most people use GrabPay like a regular wallet, but the real advantage is treating it as a rewards engine that quietly pays you back in dollars every single day. The key is stacking benefits instead of using GrabPay in isolation. Start by funding your GrabPay wallet with a debit or credit card that already earns cashback or points. Every time you top up, you earn rewards from your bank first. That means a $100 top-up can already return $1 to $5 depending on your card, before GrabPay even comes into play. This turns a simple wallet refill into a double earning move. Once your wallet is funded, route all daily microspending through GrabPay. Food orders, transport rides, coffee, groceries, and even bill payments inside the app count toward Grab rewards. These small transactions add up fast. Spending $10 here and $15 there feels insignificant, but over a month, that can cross $400 in tracked spending, unlocking higher reward tiers and better point multipliers. The real hack is timing your spending with GrabPay campaigns. Grab regularly runs bonus point events where everyday purchases earn 2 to 5 times the usual rewards. Using GrabPay during these windows turns normal spending into real value. A $50 grocery run during a 5x points promo can return the equivalent of $2 to $4 in vouchers later, without changing what you buy. Next, convert points strategically. Do not rush to redeem small vouchers. Let points accumulate and redeem only for high-value options like transport discounts, food vouchers, or partner cashback deals. This stretches the dollar value of every point earned. Finally, treat GrabPay as your default payment method for anything it supports. Consistency is what makes this hack powerful. When every daily expense flows through one system, rewards stop being occasional bonuses and become a predictable monthly return. Over time, this method can realistically put $20 to $50 back into your pocket each month, simply by paying smarter, not spending more.